Good morning. Today we are going to discuss game theory. In game theory, there are mainly two types of strategies, pure strategy and mixed strategy. In this class, we are going to discuss pure strategy based problems. Pure strategy means when in a game there are mainly two players. We can call them A and B. A and B have different types of strategy. Suppose A have three strategies and B have another three strategies. So in these three strategies, we are selecting only one strategy for game or for achieving our goal. Then it is called a pure strategy. That means we have different types of strategies. The players are selecting only one strategy from that. That type of problems are called pure strategy based problems. We want to know certain terms in game theory. First one is payoff matrix. Payoff matrix. What do you mean by payoff matrix? For example, here there is two players A and B. A have three strategies A1, A2, A3. B have three strategies B1, B2, B3. Here this positive value represent the player A have gain and player B have loss. The negative value represent player A have loss, player B have gain. We know that in a game one team will win and the another team will lose. So here we saying that it is gain and loss. If the values are positive, it will be the gain for A. And when there is negative value, the player A will have loss and player B will have a gain. So that means the positive value represent the gain of horizontal person and negative value represent the gain of vertical person. The next term is max-min principle. Max-min principle, that is maximize and minimize. So in a game, what is to be maximized? Of course, the gain should be maximized. So what should be minimized? We know that the loss should be minimized and gains should be maximized. So the max-min principle says that we should maximize the minimum guaranteed gain. That means we want to maximize the minimum guaranteed gain. So we have, for example, we have a probability to win a game 1 by 2. So we want to maximize that minimum guaranteed gain to what? To 1. That is, we have a probability to win 0.5. We want to maximize it to 1. Next one, minimax principle. Minimax principle means what we should minimize? We should minimize the loss. Minimax principle says that we should minimize the maximum loss. We should minimize what we have. We have so many losses. We should minimize as much as possible losses. Next one is saddle point. Saddle point says that it is a point where maximum value equal to minimax value. That is called a saddle point. Next one is value of gain. Value of gain means the amount. The value of the saddle point is called a value of the gain. This is a problem where we have two players, firm A and firm B. And firm B have three strategies B1, B2, B3. Firm A have two strategies A1 and A2. So we want to find the value of the game. So first we want to take the minimum in row and maximum in column. So here 2, 18, 4. Which is the minimum value? 2. Here 16, 10, 8. Which is the minimum value? 8. Here we want to select the column maximum. 2, 16. Maximum value is 16. Here 18 and 10. Maximum value is 10. Next 4 and 8. Maximum value is 8. Okay. So here saddle point? Here minimum value is equal to maximum value, that is called a saddle point, and the value of the game will be game will be 8. The value is 8, so value of the game is 8. So next we want to discuss mixed strategy. Mixed strategy means when a game have no saddle point, it is called a mixed strategy. In pure strategy, we say that when the minimax value equal to maximum value, then it is a saddle point. When it is not equal, the game will not have saddle point. In this case, that strategy is called a mixed strategy. For solving mixed strategy problem, we have using 3 methods, that is algebraic method, graphical method, and a linear programming method. We can discuss first algebraic method. It is also called a probability method. When we get a question, we want to identify that it is a mixed strategy problem or pure strategy problem. I already said that mixed strategy problem means the problem which does not have any saddle point. So when we get a question, we want to find if it have a saddle point. So നമുക്ക് ഇവിടെ നോക്കാം ഈ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനിൽ ആദ്യം നമ്മൾ എന്താണ് റോ മിനിമം, നെക്സ്റ്റ് ഇവിടെ കോളം മാക്സിമം. 9 7 minimum value is 7, 5 11 minimum value is 5. Here 9 5 maximum value is 9, 7 11 maximum value is 11. So see here there is no value where minimum value is equal to maximum value. So the game have no saddle point. So we want to identify that it is a mixed strategy problem. So next we can do it in algebraic method. In probability method, first of all we want to find out odd max. Odd max means the difference between the values. Here 9 minus 7, 2 is the difference. We want to write 2 here. That means in the opposite side. Next here 5 minus 11, that is 6. We want to write 6 here. Then here 9 minus 5 equal to 4. We want to write 4 here. Here 7 minus 11. We want to write it in here. That is. We want to find out the probability. Probability for each row and each column. So here we have the probability P1 and P2, and here we have probability Q1 and Q2. Our text is following some formulas for identifying probability. I am using a simple method to calculate probability. Here the probability of first row will be 6 divided by 2 plus 6. 6 divided by 2 plus 6, that is 6 divided by 8. Here next P2 will be 2 divided by 6 plus 2, that is 2 by 8. In same, here the probability will be 4 divided by 4 plus 4, that is 4 divided by 8. Q2 is also 4 divided by 4 plus 4, that is 4 by 8. Next we want to minimize the values. 6 by 8 will be, write that 2 by 4, sorry 3 by 4, here 1 by 4. Here also 4 by 8 can be written as 1 by 2, and next 4 by 8 also 1 by 2. So we get the probability for the first row P1 3 by 4, P2 1 by 4, next Q1 1 by 2 and Q2 1 by 2. From this we want to find value of the game. We can calculate the value of the game easily, that is 9 into 6 plus 5 into 2 divided by 6 plus 2. That is 9 into 6 plus 5 into 2 divided by 6 plus 2. 9 into 6 means 54 and 5 into 2 means 10. So 64. 6 plus 2 means 8. 64 divided by 8, that is 8. Here the value of the game will be 8.